Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Everyone's worked from home in some way in the last couple of years. You might still encourage it for your team, but while it makes some staff happier and more productive, have you ever looked at the downsides? Without the separation of home and workplace, many employees struggle to switch off. They're at risk of burnout. Others feel isolated and less motivated without colleagues. There can be a big financial impact to your business too. Safe remote working needs the right tools: laptops, phones, and video call equipment. Have you considered upgrading your team's internet? And perhaps even providing proper desks and chairs? Most importantly, you must put in place full cybersecurity protection wherever someone is working. Would you like us to audit your current setup? Let's see if we can save you money while making your business safer. Just get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.